Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Success Step Word, who says if you dream it you can do it. So guys, we are back and today we'll talk about the structure of writing task 1. So let's get started. As you all know, for writing task 1 you have to describe a diagram, map, graph or charts in your words. In this lecture I'll tell you some basic things which are common in case of all types of task 1. Clear? So basically we'll talk about some common factors. In task 1, whether it is map, diagram, table or any other type, you can write minimum 4 or maximum 5 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you have to write an introduction, what the task is showing. You will be given a question statement which you will have to analyze and then express that in your words, or I can say paraphrase it. Clear? So after that, in the next paragraph, which is known as overall or overview, it is the most important paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to put all the main or specific features of data in it, and it is often not too long, but it contains all the key features of the task. Clear? So you have to maintain its length as well. In the third and fourth paragraph, which are known as body paragraphs, this is the place where you put the detailed information such as dates, numbers and comparisons. So these are the 4 main paragraphs that you need to use. However, if necessary, it is possible to add one more body paragraph depending on the data you are given. Clear? But please try to make just 4. One more thing, it is not necessary to put overview after the introduction. You can write it at the end as well, but remember, don't miss it or forget it, since it is an imperative paragraph. Now I'll explain you how to write an introduction. Clear? So today we'll just discuss about the introduction. You will be given a question statement such as given on the screen. You can see it. The chart below shows the percentage of adults of different age groups in the UK who use the internet every day from 2003 to 2006. Clear? So here the chart shows the percentage of adults who use internet on a daily basis. Clear? And in 3 years, 2003 to 2006 in the Great Britain or UK. After that, there is another sentence. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So now as you can see, there are some words which have been highlighted. These words will always be the same no matter what type of question you get. Clear? So this sentence will remain the same in all the tasks. Okay, so moving ahead, every question consists of 3 parts. The graphics such as type of task, map, table or any other. Secondly, the brief description of the task, and finally question statement which I have highlighted. Now all you have to do is first check the type of task which have been given, like map, diagram, process, what is it, and then understand the description such as subject, unit and so on, and paraphrase it in your words. And finally understand the instruction sentence or question sentence. According to question sentence, you have to select, write and compare the main features. So now I show you the introduction of given question. In question, there have been given the chart below shows. So firstly you have to analyze the type of graph. Here I have written the bar graph because it is a question of bar graph. After that, in question there have been used below word, but you cannot use this word because there will be no graph below your answer sheet. So for that you have to use words such as given, assigned. Clear? And after that, to paraphrase shows word, you can write depicts, presents and so on. And then you have to paraphrase description sentence. Clear? As I have done in my sample answer, let's read it. The assigned bar graph illustrates the ratio of citizens of different age group using the internet in daily basis in the Great Britain over a period of 3 years. So you can compare both question and answer statement. There is huge difference in both the statements. So in this way we can paraphrase any question. I hope you understand everything. Now rest of the things we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our videos. And please like, comment and share the video. So thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video with more useful content.